Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you could add a candidate to the job, which is pretty easy at Manatal.com. As you can see right now, we have a couple of candidates. First one is Anne Blue and the second one is Matt King. So we have one job, which is marketing specialist under PR department. So when we go to the departments, there is PR, and let's go, yeah, more likely, let's go to the jobs. And we have a marketing specialist. We're gonna hit that position or that job, and we see there is a Matt King, the only one at the moment from candidates on this job. And let's say you want to add another candidate for the same job. This is actually quite, it can take some time if you need to look for it. But on the top right side are those three little dots. It's pretty hidden. So let's click on those three dots and we see we can add the candidate. I would personally put this somewhere where you can see it. If I'm a creator or member of Manatal developer team, but we can add a candidate, and there is recently add candidate and it's Anne Blue. We're gonna click on it, and automatically Anne is added to a new candidate. You can also create it manually like this, but for that particular task you need to have like a CV already uploaded. You can't really create the candidate the normal way, like when we have candidates and then there is this plus button where you can create a candidate from resume, multiple resumes, import JSON or a CSV or complete form. And yeah, just like that. It's weird. Okay, cancel. Just like that, you can add the candidate into it. It's very, very, very easy, I would say. And for somehow, I can't really like cross out or press on X. Okay, that's very weird. Let's cancel it. Add form, okay. Jason Young, continue. Okay. And we see we have another recent action. And yeah, that's being said, that's how you add your candidates into the jobs at Manatal.com. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions, please let me know underneath this video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.